Get ahead of the competition with EIMF's Diploma in Accounting and Financial Management. Whether you're just starting out in the accounting profession or looking to advance your career, this diploma can help you excel in the field and become a leader in accounting and financial management. The diploma will be delivered by experienced academics and practitioners, providing you with the knowledge and resources to excel in the vast and rewarding world of accounting and financial management. Since 2015, the EIMF has succeeded in becoming one of the leading training centers for professional qualifications. With headquarters in Cyprus and offices in Ireland, the United Kingdom, Greece, Belgium, and Dubai, EIMF will open up new opportunities for your career. EIMF's Diploma in Accounting and Financial Management is the perfect choice. Still wondering why? With this academic program, you'll benefit from an unparalleled learning experience that will expose you to a real-world work environment. You'll gain hands-on experience in workshop simulations that cover the use of accounting software and other programs to complete tasks. And you'll hear from industry experts in guest speeches that provide you with valuable insights. Plus, you'll have access to EIMF's large network of industry contacts, helping you find the perfect job position. You'll also receive exemptions and be eligible for professional qualifications. This academic program will equip you with the knowledge, skills, tools, competencies, and confidence to excel in the highly demanding and competitive global financial services sector. Upon the completion of the diploma, you will attain the EIMF's Diploma in Accounting and Financial Management, which is accredited by the Cyprus Agency of Quality Assurance and Accreditation in Higher Education, and receive up to 120 ECTS credits, as well as the Association of Accounting Technicians, AAT, professional qualification. The AAT is a professional membership body with 130,000 members in more than 100 countries, including Cyprus. Students will also be experienced with real-world accounting system simulations. Don't wait. Speak with our advisors to make your next career move today.